You think you're doing everything right for your dog. You feed them daily, you choose what seems like quality food, and you even give them treats when they're good. But what if I told you that your everyday feeding habits might actually be harming your dog's health, silently and slowly? In this video, we're exposing the most common daily dog feeding mistakes pet parents make. And more importantly, how to fix them today before they lead to obesity, digestive issues, or even behavioral problems. Stay with me till the end, because mistake number 9 is something even experienced dog owners rarely think about. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Delaying your dog's first meal for too long, or worse, skipping it altogether. Dogs like us have internal clocks. They thrive on routine. When you delay breakfast or feed them randomly, it confuses their metabolism and spikes their stress hormones. Fix this by feeding your dog at a consistent time every morning, ideally within 30 to 45 minutes after waking up. It sets their energy for the day and keeps their digestion on track. Number 2, leaving food out all day and letting your dog graze. This free feeding approach sounds kind, but it often leads to overeating, obesity, and loss of appetite control. Dogs need structure, not an all-you-can-eat buffet. Instead, give meals at set times and remove uneaten food after 20 minutes. This also gives you better control over portion sizes. Mistake number 3, guessing your dog's portion size or relying solely on package instructions. What's printed on the food bag is just a guideline, and often way too much. Your dog's actual needs depend on their breed, age, activity level, and health status. Solution? Use a dog calorie calculator based on your pet's weight and lifestyle. Talk to your vet for a tailored plan. Number 4, sharing your dinner table scraps. We get it. Those puppy eyes are irresistible. But many human foods, like onions, grapes, garlic, and even fatty meat, can be toxic to dogs. Even harmless foods can trigger pancreatitis or allergies. Always check before offering something new and stick to vet-approved treats. Mistake number 5, feeding only once a day. Some owners believe one large meal is fine, but research shows this can cause blood sugar crashes, nausea, and food aggression. Dogs do better with 2 smaller meals a day, morning and evening. It keeps their blood sugar stable and their mood calm. For puppies and senior dogs, even 3 meals might be ideal. Number 6, forgetting water at mealtime. Digestion needs hydration. A dry kibble meal without nearby water is like eating crackers with no drink. Always keep a clean, fresh bowl of water next to the feeding spot and change it daily. Dehydration is more common than you think. Next up, a simple but often overlooked mistake: using plastic feeding bowls. Plastic can trap bacteria, cause allergic reactions, and even leach chemicals over time. Some dogs develop acne or chin rashes from them. Instead, switch to stainless steel or ceramic bowls. They're easier to clean and much safer. Mistake number 8, allowing your dog to inhale their food. Fast eating leads to bloating, choking, and poor digestion. In large breeds, it can even risk gastric torsion, a life-threatening condition. Use slow feeder bowls, or try feeding small portions at a time to slow them down. You can even turn it into a game using puzzle feeders. Here's one most people miss: ignoring how your dog acts during meals. Is your dog anxious while eating? Growling around food? Leaving food untouched? These signs could point to stress, illness, dental pain, or even emotional triggers. Don't just fix the behavior, dig into the reason behind it. Feeding should be calm, focused, and peaceful. Number 10, feeding right before or after intense exercise. Just like humans shouldn't eat right after a run, dogs also need time to cool down. Feeding too close to activity can cause digestive upset or even bloat in deep-chested breeds. Wait at least 30 minutes before or after walks or playtime to offer food. Next mistake: feeding the same food for years. Dogs need nutritional variety, just like us. Sticking to one brand or one protein, like chicken every day, can cause allergies or nutritional gaps over time. Rotate between chicken, lamb, fish, or beef proteins, slowly and safely, to keep their gut healthy and prevent intolerance. A silent mistake many make: feeding out of guilt or emotion. Had a bad day? Your dog comforted you, so you offer an extra scoop or treat. Sounds familiar? Emotional feeding builds bad habits, weight gain, and dependency. Instead, reward with walks, praise, or toys, not extra calories. Mistake 13: using meals to distract your dog during stress. Feeding during fireworks, thunderstorms, or grooming sessions might seem smart, but it associates food with fear. Instead, teach calm behavior first, then offer food after they've relaxed. Don't let fear become linked to the bowl. Last major mistake: forgetting to count treats as calories. That biscuit, that chew stick, those training rewards, they add up. If you're giving treats, reduce the main meal portions accordingly. Otherwise, your dog is slowly gaining weight you won't notice until it's too late. Feeding your dog may seem simple, but it's the daily routines that make or break their long-term health. By avoiding these common mistakes, you're not just filling their bowl, you're extending their life, improving their behavior, and building a deeper bond. If you learned something new today, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below with the feeding mistake you're going to fix first. And remember, your dog doesn't need a perfect parent, just one who cares enough to learn and improve. See you in the next video.